what's up? So, about a month ago, I helped a friend of mine make a short film for a group of high school students, and tonight's the premiere. So, it'll be my first time seeing the film complete. I was the sound recordist and also the first AD, as it were, on the set, so it was a lot of fun to do. And tonight is the premiere, red carpet and everything, so it's black tie, so you know what that means. That's right. We're dressing up. Well, I made it to the location. It's time to go inside and let's see how everything looks. So we're here at the premiere and it's been really interesting so far. You got some pretty cool looking stuff going on here. They got stars. I'll show you my star on the floor here. So they gave me my own. Hey! Ever been in a vlog before?
No, I haven't.
Want to be in a vlog?
Sure.
Okay, what's your name again?
No.
Okay, so guys, this is my friend Noah. We worked together on Lucky Dollar. And remind me who you played again?
Played Montrose Hogsbreath, the fat man gangster.
Which you'll probably never actually see, but that's who he played. And you notice he's taller than me, and actually probably skinnier than me. But in the actual film, he's a lot bigger. I felt really good for a while there. So anyway, that was a lot of fun to do. But you were probably really
yeah, it was pretty toasty in the costume, but it was a fun part to play. Very,
I'm sure.
Very animated, so.
Oh yeah, and then I won't spoil the ending.
Yeah.
And he had fun at the end, I'll tell you that much. So cool. Let's see what else we can find here.
Not hiding. I was covered. Okay, ready?
I mean, he spent a lot of time with friends in North Beach.
Oh, he's so awesome.
In the remote part.
Okay, ready, guys? No, you're not singing. Blackmail. No. It's for the vlog.
Yep.
Sorry, Jonathan.
Hush. Yeah, they had fun.
Did they really?
We almost.
Alright, so we're about to walk on the red carpet and go in to see the movie. I have no idea what time it actually is. Oh, 10 minutes till they start the film. So let's head on in and see what we got.
Remember you shaking while standing in a box?
Welcome.
I'm sorry,
Okay, so we're inside the theater and we're getting ready to watch the movie. This is going to be a lot of fun. Ooh, I love this lighting. Look at this. That's a little harsh, but like right here, it's like awesome. So this is going to be really fun to watch. There was a lot of work making it and editing it, of course. Anyone who's been in the film industry knows that it's very difficult. So we'll see what happens, and it's going to be quite interesting, I'm sure, to see this cut.
That's my seat.
It's our seat.
It's not a movie without popcorn.
That being said, this is a little bit of a rough cut. There will be spots that you'll be able to notice that there's some things to fix. When we get to releasing the DVD, all of those will be fixed.
Got a message for you. Drop the case.
Why, you miserable squid?
Okay, guys, so this is Tell them your name.
Haley.
This is Haley. Haley was in the film, and I was helping out, of course, so they gave me a little something here, which I was totally surprised about. It's really pretty, but I don't know what it is, so I'm going to open it up and find out. So, and here comes her sister. She's gonna take a look and see. So why don't you hold this, and I will reach in, and we'll see what happens. Oh, there's a card. Just open it the wrong way. Also, very bad camera work too, by the way. Thank you, Jonathan. Best boom operator ever. Aww. Oh, this is so nice. Excuse me while I read it.
I wrote it myself. Not everyone signed it. I don't know why. I tried to get everyone to sign it.
So you're like, no, not gonna sign that. They're like, leave me out of this. Thank you so much. Let's just see what this is. Oh, let me guess, it's a shirt.
Hashtag t-shirt.
Hashtag t-shirt. I have a shirt that says hashtag t-shirt on it. No kidding.
I know that.
Oh, look at that. Sorry, Mandy. Thanks. Oh, that is so cool. Thank you, guys. A little late for that, but thank you. Or maybe a little early.
This is Noah.
Yeah, Noah was in earlier.
Hello. I'm back
And that's
again.
Mandy. And that's Haley, you met her, and I'm me, you know. This is a lot of fun, guys. Definitely enjoyed it. These guys are great to work with. And I feel like I see something on the lens. I do. I'll have to fix that. It's been a blast. I know there's more people here that need to thank, so I'm going to go do that. Well, I just got home after the premiere, and it was a lot of fun. I must say, it was great to see everyone again, and I really enjoyed the time I got to spend with them, watch the film that we spent many hours working on. It definitely wasn't completely ready. It definitely was a rough cut, and we weren't expecting anything more than that just because of such a time crunch that we were on. The nice thing is we can edit it more and get it even better, so it's not like that's the end product. It was just fun to get together and see it, and I was really glad to be a part of it. I was really happy to be able to help out doing sound and stunt coordinating on it. And what I really liked about it was the people. I mean, Jacob, who I've known for a long time, did a tremendous job directing everybody, and everybody involved did an awesome job. The kids were just tremendous. They worked really hard, and we had a lot of fun doing it, and they really worked hard. I mean, the effort that goes into making a movie is a lot, and these kids did tremendous given it was their first time ever trying to do a movie. I have a lot of experience in film. They don't. And for people who have never done a film before, they really knocked it out of the park. So kudos to them. Kudos to the director, and it was just a lot of fun to work with them. And for you guys that were involved, thank you so much for bringing me on board, for allowing me to be a part of it. It was definitely my honor to get to know you guys, to work with you guys, and I hope we can do it again sometime. That's all for me. We will see you next time.